the membership operators and the identity operators. So these are the two operators remaining. So let's get to know about these membership operators. There are two types of membership operators in Python. One is in and not in. Okay, membership operators test for the presence of a variable value in a sequence data types. For example, string, list, tuple, etc. So the membership operators in Python are in and not in. In and not in. So let's let's know what is in and how it is used. Let's know a simple example for this. A is equal to hello, B is equal to 25. List data type is equal to 42. So we need to check whether A in list data type. Of course, the value of a variable a was hello. We are checking that whether this variable, whether this value hello exists in this list data type. Hello, of course, and hence it was printed as true. Similar with, and also check with not in. A not in list data type. False, because we have the value of a exists in list data type, and hence the result should be true. But we also check that by using not in operator whether a not in list data type. No, of course a exists, and hence the result was false. And the last operator section in Python was identity operators. So what are the identity operators exist in Python? They are is, comma, is not. So these are the two identity operators that exist in Python as a membership operators. So let's see each an example for this. Apart from that, what is identity operators? Identity operators are used to compare memory locations of two variables or two objects. As we know, everything is an object in Python. So let's declare two variables. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 9, and let's check with the first operator is. Let's check whether x is y. X is B. I'm sorry, it's B. X is B. We have created two variables x and B, and we are checking that whether the memory location of x is same as the memory location of B. Whether 9 is, whether 10 is 9, it should be false. Of course, 10 is not 9. And next go with is not operator. X is not B. Of course, the value should be true because 10 is not 9. True. So this is all about identity operators. So we came to know about different operators in this tutorial, like identity operators, membership operators, logical operators, bitwise, assignment, comparison, arithmetic operators. So this is all about operators in Python. We have also learned one example with each one of them. I hope this helped with some of your learning process.